as Mr. B. I'm excited to be here. This is my second time here. And tonight, we're gonna dance, we're gonna sing, and we're gonna make new memories. Does that sound good?
Yeah!
Somebody sing ho!
Oh!
Sing ho! Alright, here we go, y'all. And 1, 2, treasure. The fact is what you are. Honey, you're my golden star. You made my wish come true.
Hi. Hindi ko alam na naka-live siya kagabi guys. Tulog ako na.
US dollar na
Alright.
Okay? Andito lang po kami.
Nag-enjoy pa tayo so far.
Nasabi na yata ni...
Hindi ko alam niya yung kanta na yun. I mean, alam niya, pero...
At your service tonight.
Saan siya nag-live? Facebook o YouTube?
Happy that it's not cold nowadays. The last time I was here, and that's why I can never ever forget Winnipeg. Hindi ko talaga makakalimutan.
Saan siya nag-live? Sa ano?
Nung pumunta ako dito, I think it was 2007, I was with Sarah, and yeah, I was young. And dun yung first time ko na that was the first time I felt a cold back. Like I remember walking out of the hotel and there was this thing I stepped on. When I stepped on it, hindi ko na ako. So I'm happy that we have good weather here. And very, very grabe, ang dami nyo ngayong gabi na to! So, tonight, we're gonna have some R&B. We got any R&B fans tonight? Tonight, we're gonna have some love songs. Are you guys ready to fall in love tonight?
Bukas na lang. Yeah! Kasi wala ka daw guys.
Are you guys ready to dance later?
Thanks, lagi ako mag-text sa kanya.
Alright. And then, ang susunod na kanta, at para sa mga R&B fans. Okay? And I see, just by looking here, I can see there is a lot of people nakasama nila yung family nila. There I see a lot
Dapat
of people.
mag-duet kami ng ikaw pala, no?
Husband and wife, right? Husband and wife. We got husband and wife over here.
Mag-duet kaya.
Right? Husband and wife. Sino ba yung husband and wife dito? Yeah. You guys fight a lot?
Ang sasabihin niya. Sa inyo yung
How about brothers and
mataas.
sisters? Brothers and sisters, cousins? Boyfriend, girlfriend?
Naabot ba niya sa mataas na part?
Sa yung mga single?
Naabot niya. Si Ma'am talaga.
So this song
Talaga. Oh.
is,
Actually, sa Black Up,
I talk about relationships.
sa Black Up, maraming si Ma'am.
Every type of relationship it is, a business relationship, a husband and wife, brother sister, minsan, it's all
I saw
relationships.
this reel on
And
Black
in all
Up,
relationships,
and it was
normal
me
lang mag-away.
answering a
To fight
question
is something
that
normal
said,
lang. You have differences
they asked,
and all that. But one thing that I learned is that no matter what type of fight that is, we should never, ever go to bed mad. Music. Na 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 na. Now this song ay para sa mga lalaki. This song is for the fellas. Kasi kaming mga lalaki, nasasaktan din kami. When enough is enough, you gotta learn how to say, come on girl. I can't get it back, I don't want it back. Realize that, don't know how to anger. girl, look at me, girl, James and Jimmy, yeah, she had any, but love for me, she didn't have any. I was invited, and when that girl is gone, and you find a woman that can take you out to dinner, pick you up in her own car, that's when you found your Miss Independent. All the ladies, come on, ladies, somebody say ho! Say ho! Yeah, that's why I love you. That's why I'm missing the big hey. Everything's the same, don't worry about it. Everything she got, just believe she's for it. She gon' steal my heart, there's no doubt about it. Girl, you're everything I need. Yeah, you're everything I need. Somebody say ho! Hey! That's why I love my baby. She got everything. That's why I love her. All right. Yep. And I heard Neo was here not too long ago, no? Yeah, I'm a really big fan of Neo. Very heavily influenced by him and of course Michael Jackson. And not judging, but hindi naman ako judge. But by the looks of the crowd, I kind of get like the age bracket natin lahat dito. It's not a bad thing, it's a beautiful thing. Because I could be biased, but I feel like the best music came from the 90s.
Yeah!
Anybody have anything to say about that? Anybody that thinks that the best music came from the 80s? Okay. How about the best music came from the 70s? Yeah, mga apat na layo, All right. So, so I grew up in the 90s and Jimmy, who said that? Who said that? Huh? Mas matanda ko pa sa akin.
Yeah, diba?
I grew
And
up in
even
the
though I'm a
90s,
new person,
and,
even though she's a new
My
person,
musical heavily influence was it.
marami pa rin kailangan.
I grew up in the 80s, but
This
the 90s
school of life
is what
is
actually
never
molded my
ending.
musical journey.
Because
Me and my sister used
because
to
everything
sing
is always
along and watch
changing.
BET,
So you have to
MTV,
roll
the box,
with the change.
the box
You have to be
was. We used to watch that
adaptable.
all day
Hindi
long.
pwedeng,
And,
ito ako eh,
these
ganito
next
ako eh.
couple of songs that I'm gonna
No,
sing
guys.
ay para sa mga
Hindi pwede
batang
yun.
90s.
You have to be able to be teachable. You have to be able to be
The
adaptable.
people that sang this
to your
song were
surroundings.
also here. So if you guys, and sa mga nanonood ng mga live namin ni Kat and Katie, I'm sure na kinantahan ko ng ilang beses sa live. Pero syempre, iba din pag live, di ba? So, it would give me great honor if you guys
diba,
would
guys?
sing the song
Take it
with
slowly.
me.
You don't just jump into
Para sa
something.
mga,
Marriage is
I
such
guess,
a serious
newlyweds.
thing. You don't just jump
Sa
into
mga
something.
nag-iisip pa lang na magpakasal.
Yes, Kat.
This one is for you.
Respect. Number one. Once you guys don't have respect for each other in the relationship, wag na kayo,
You guys remember that
don't
song?
be together anymore. Because that's number one, respect.
Diba?
If you don't
Ladies and
respect the
gentlemen,
person,
let's
if
give
you
it
don't
up for
respect
Sir
you,
Marby over here.
what's the
Looney.
point?
Looney.
You're gonna walk all over that person. You're gonna run all over that person. When you don't have respect for that
All
person,
right.
whatever they say to you,
At
wala
this
ka ng
point,
pakialam. Kasi
I
hindi mo
would like
nire-respeto yung
to
tao na yun.
I'm
So,
actually looking
in
for
short, why stay in a relationship kung wala ka ng respeto?
wearing the color red.
Direct Katie! Hindi yung sarili lang iisipin. Tama.
Nagsuot ng sweater on red.
Tama. Especially as a parent, di ba? We had our days to think of ourselves. Now,
Ito yun, yung naka...
your dad, your mom, you have kids.
Okay.
Iba na yung priority. Iba na yung decision mo.
Siyempre, nandito na kayo and gusto ko
Ito na kayo.
gusto ko kantahin kayo ng malapitan. As a male singer, we love to sing to the ladies. You know what I mean? And so this is the time that we get to do this. So, what's gonna happen is
Video
we're gonna play the music and then bababa ako, kakantahin ko yung naka-red at kakantahin ko kayo. Pero first, mag-chat ko muna. Alright, so para sa inyong lahat, this one ay para sa mga 80s babies naman. And sana mag-enjoy kayo. And if you guys know the lyrics to this, please do sing along. Here we go.
Ayun po.
I've never seen you looking so alive. Sige, mamaya. Mamaya try ko umabot dyan sa likod. Alright. Now! Thank you guys. Maraming salamat. Thank you.
Ito, hindi nakikita.
Thank you. Ayan. Pare, alam ko naka-red ka pero wala ko pare. Alright. So, bilang Pilipino tayong most of us, siguro mga 95% tayo Pilipino dito. You know what? I think the world finally sees how good Filipinos sing. Kung gaano kagaling ang Pinoy kumanta. Tama po ba? Ang Pilipino mahilig na mahilig kumanta. And you know what? It's not a Filipino party pag walang videoke. Diba? So what we're gonna do tonight, because I know the people of Winnipeg here love to sing, yes? I chose a song that I think everybody knows, and since dito ako umabot, dito naman ako ikot sa side na to, right? And we're gonna do a little jam session. Pag tinutukan ko yung microphone sa bunganga mo, kakanta kayo, alright? I picked a song that I think everybody knows. And Winnipeg, I just want you to know that whatever happens, I hope you guys are enjoying. And just remember that Mr. B, nandito lagi ako para sa inyo. Alright? So here we go. Nandito ako. Alright, maraming salamat. Thank you guys. Nagaling kumanta. Nag-enjoy ba tayo? Alright, okay. At this point, guys, gusto ko lang i-flex yung producer slash promoter ko. Napakabait niya. And this was not part of the show, but because I want you guys to hear how good her voice really is. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to give it up for the one and only Cory Miranda, aka Coco Productions!
Oh my God! Hello mga ka-Coco! Thank you so much, Chris Lawrence! Palakpakan po natin again. Ni-request lang po talaga tong kantang to. I wasn't ready. Hindi pa ready to ha. Pero, of course, we want to say thank you to our producers. Ate Jessica and Ate Lydia. Asa si Ate Lydia? Shout out po sa lahat ng mga tumulong. And of course, sa aking kapatid na, si Marby. Marby is here, and he has a lot more concerts coming in. So please, 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 let's help and support all the Filipino concerts. Thank you so much. This song's for everybody. Ate Jessica, sana mo
break time, break time.
Winnipeg, do you want more?
Yeah!
I can't hear you. Do you want more?
Yeah!
Well, I think everybody can hear you, including Chris Lawrence and his second set. So let me reintroduce you. One of our front act performers earlier will be joining Mr. B on stage. Do you remember our musician of the night, Austin Aslin?
That's my best.
Okay, he is ready, and I'm pretty sure while he gets on stage, Mr. B has more in store for you. Again, our heart and prince of R&B is performing the next new song release, I Love You. Winnipeg, are you ready?
Ready!
Okay, let me reintroduce you once again on stage, Austin!
My best.
Ready to
All right, let's give it up for Austin, everybody. Man, amazing, dude. So that, honestly, that really touched me because, guys, that's my newest single that I just released. It's called Unlove You. That song, I collaborated with Lil Eddie. Some of you may know the song Statue. I'm like a statue, staring right at you. You guys know that song? Yeah. So I collaborated with him. By the way, Lil Eddie is a 16-time Grammy Award winner.
Wow.
So it was such an honor for me to be in the studio with him, and we're actually doing a whole album. I hope you guys can support this one. The video is out on YouTube. It's out on Spotify, and you know, we've been in the studio, and I actually got in the studio 2 days ago with Lil Eddie, and he brought one of his homies because, you know, it's like a little circle. He actually brought one of Chris Brown's writers in the studio, so watch out for that. We got some new stuff coming out, so sana abangan niyo po. And yeah, that song, for those of you who know the story behind that, it's called Unlove You, right? Because we all have that one ex that no matter what you can never unlove that one. Diba? So I know there's a lot of us that have that one. Parang yung tokya, you know, tokya. You know what a tokya is? It's like a Filipino term. Tokya means the one that got away. Yeah. So that's what that song is about, and I hope you guys can support it. And this next song that I'm gonna sing is actually another special one to me. All the songs are special, but this one is very, very special because this one I actually wrote about my daughter, Katie.
No.
You know, in a musician's career, there comes a time where you feel like you hit ceiling, you feel like kahit anong gawin mo, you feel like whatever you do, it's not doing anything anymore. So there came a time, I want to say, like a little before 2020, I kept releasing music, right? I kept releasing music. Every time I wrote a song, I was like, ooh, we're gonna have another hit, we're gonna have another hit. And then when you release it, walang nangyayari. So that happened about like 5 or 6 singles in. So every time I release a song, I'm excited, and then it gets like 500 streams. And then the next song I do it gets like 1,000 streams. And it gets like 200 views on YouTube, you know what I mean? So honestly, I got discouraged. I got discouraged to write music. I got discouraged to even create, to do new things. So I took a break. I continued to do my shows naman, but I took a break. And last year, I finally got into the studio, and I said, you know, let's just give it a shot. Let's try. So I got in the studio with Lil Eddie and, you know, some other producers from LA, and they played, we were going through the beats, we were going through this. I said, I like that one. And when we were in the studio, I started to write. Sumusulat ako, wala talagang lumalabas. So I was like, shoot, I have like writer's block, and I'm pressured because there's Grammy Award winning producers here and all this and that.
Nangalay na kami.
They're like, oh man, this Filipino kid, he doesn't know what he's doing. So what I did was humugot ako ng malalim. And the first thing that came to mind was my daughter, Katie. And when I started to think about Katie and my love for her, hindi na tumigil yung ballpen ko. And that's when I came up with this song. And I hope you guys can support it. For all the fathers and the mothers out there, I hope you guys can relate to this song, because it's about the way that your kids or the ones that you love make you feel. It's about that feeling, the way that they make you feel. And so, sa mga nanonood ng mga vlogs namin ni Kat and Katie, maraming salamat po. Gusto niyo ba makita si Katrina?
Yeah!
Katie? Katie? Are you there? Katie, are you there?
Hi guys! Kamusta mga po kayo dyan? Papakawag sa new song that he wrote from me. I hope you like it. Love you! Dili na po kayo.
Katie! She is so adorable. Nanonood ba kayo ng mga vlogs namin?
Yes!
Did you guys watch Hong Kong?
Yes!
You know, sobrang random niya. There was this one part in the vlog. Sobrang not until this day, it's like an inside joke with this in the production. There's this one part, I think it's part 2, and we were gonna go out. Tapos biglang siya nagsabi, "Kinatae po!"
Yes!
She's super random, and I just want to say thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for all your support. Grabe, hindi namin inakala. Ano yun?
Inakala!
That. Hindi namin akalain na aabot ng ganito. It's so crazy because we have KKK fans, and guys, when I say KKK, it's Chris, Kat, and Katie, okay? So you guys might be thinking something else. I know KKK has a weird thing happening here, but in the Philippines, okay, that's me and my family. It means Chris, Katrina, and Katie. And so sa mga KKK fans all over the world, I just want to say maraming salamat po. Give you guys please a round of applause, everybody. Alright. Man. So, I would like to say thank you to these people who made this show possible. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Coco Productions! I want to say thank you so much to the Golden Apron, Miss Donna Calamba. Belonio Sweetie Cleaning Business, maraming salamat. Thank you so much to Pinoy Tribe Entertainment! Radiant Dental, maraming salamat. Miracle Bakery, to Ferdinand Ramos. Yes, sir. Theodora Ugay, maraming salamat. Mr. and Mrs. Melissa Espino. Thank you so much to Sugar Bloom. I received the cake yesterday, so masarap na. Thank you to Jules' Closet. Where's Jules' Closet? Around here. They're over here. Hey. Nilmar Construction. Where's Nilmar Construction? You guys here? Seafood City! Maraming salamat. Siyempre sa Jeepney. We ate there last night. Maraming salamat, Jeepney. Carlos Hair and Makeup Studio. To Prime Medical Services Incorporated. Siyempre kay Jessica Belonio and Lydia Ibarra. Ate Lydia, so guys, palakpakan nyo naman ang mga sponsors natin. Thank you guys so much. Maraming salamat. Mula kay Mr. B. And itong susunod na kanta, pwede ba ako mag-Tagalog na? Tagalog song?
Yes!
Yeah, we can sing Tagalog song. Okay. This is a very special song to my heart.
Ikaw pala.
It was written, the next 2 songs I'm gonna sing were written by Benny Saturno. Benny Saturno, the great. Siya yung parang tatay-tatayan ko sa showbiz. And these next 2 songs are beautiful love songs. And I sang both of them on the Wish Bus. And right now, I want to say thank you again to the KKK fans because they are pinapagtaran talaga nila itong kanta na to. And in one concert, I believe it was Aruba, I just announced because this song on YouTube, if I hit 50 million views by November, then Wish will give me another award, another gold award for this song. So if you guys can view this song on YouTube, every view counts. They are crazy right now. They are going at it, and since like 3 weeks ago, they were able to almost go like almost 1 million views just in a short span of time. So to the KKK fans all over the world, thank you so much. This song is about someone, or it could be you, yung mga taong naghahanap ng pag-ibig. Kasi minsan tayo, ano ba yan? Bakit? Minsan naghahanap tayo ng pag-ibig kung saan tayo naghahanap. we keep looking and looking and looking and looking. But you didn't know na yung hinahanap mo, nandyan lang pala siya. And I do remember alright. At this point, may mga special request ba kayo? May mga gusto niyong kantahin? Is there any song that you guys would like me to sing? Hello? Ano yun? Oh, that's a good one. Maganda. Malaya ka ba? Oh man. Risk it all. Kaya ko ba yun? I don't know if I have that anymore. Will you? Ito nga, halatang nanonood kayo ng mga vlogs namin, no? Thank you guys. Okay. This next song I'm gonna sing, ito yung last song of the night. Actually, I'm sorry, last love song of the night. And then after nito, party na tayo. Alright? Now this song is another very special song to my heart kasi feeling ko ito yung song na this is the song that catapulted me and made Chris Lawrence the Philippines Prince of R&B. Again, this is by Tito Benny Saturno. I want to thank each and every one of you guys for listening to my songs kasi kahit nakikinig lang kayo sa mga kanta ko, kahit nag-review lang kayo, you guys don't know it, but you're already supporting me. So from the bottom of my heart, I just want to say maraming salamat sa inyo dito sa Ulitek. And sana you guys continue to support OPM. Mabuhay ang OPM! That's right! So para sa mga OPM lovers, this one is for you. Para sa mga in love. Here we go. Ang ingay mo. Coco, you got my phone? Alright, everybody. I see a lot of you guys already have your lights up. But if you have a light tonight, all your cell phones, okay lang po ba ilawan ng mga cellphone natin? Let's light up the Winnipeg sky, ladies and gentlemen! I love to do this in all my shows. And mamaya, ipopost ko to. So, hanapin yung mukha nyo! Itong side na to, pahingin mo ng ilaw. Yan. You guys over here. Oh my God, you guys look beautiful. Dito pa, pahingin mo ng ilaw dito sa harap. Alright y'all, here we go. Kung malaya lang ako, kung malaya lang ako, di magsisisi too. Maraming salamat po! Are you guys ready to party?
Yeah!
To sing with me? This one is for you guys. Here we go. Come on, everybody. Say, I wanna be a billionaire, so freaking bad. Woo! All right, everybody. Last love song of the night, and then we party. All right, everybody. I'm gonna borrow this chair real quick. Can everybody clap their hands like this? Here we go. All right, we need to play. Here we go. Hey! Her eyes, make his heart look like it naturally. Her hair, all perfectly without a trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Come on, yeah. 'Cause I know, if I compliment her, she won't believe me. And so, try to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me to. Thank you guys! Maraming salamat po! That was it for the night. Nag-enjoy ba kayo?
Yeah!
Alright. My name is Chris Lawrence, everybody! Guys, ang dami ko ng kinanta. You guys want more?
Yeah!
Meron pa ba na? If I sing one more, sasayaw ba kayo?
Yeah!
If I sing one more, tatayo ba tayong lahat?
Yeah!
Alright, at this point, I want everybody to stand up and come closer. Alright, everybody. Let's go. Hey! You guys want to party some more? And I want everybody to come closer. Come on, let's do this, Winnipeg. Let's go. Hey! Everybody in Winnipeg, here we go. Everybody in the house, say hey! Here we go in 1, 2, hallelujah. All right, here we go. We're gonna party. All right, Winnipeg, make some noise. I just want to say thank you so much, Winnipeg, from the bottom of my heart. My name is Chris Lawrence. Some of you may call me Mr. B. Thank you, Winnipeg. Maraming salamat. I will see you guys after the show because may mga binibenta kaming Katie's Cologne. May binibenta kaming jerseys, Team KL jerseys and Team KKK jerseys. And for those that purchase, I'll be more than happy to take a picture with you guys and sign each and every jersey and merch. And I'll see you guys after the show. Maraming salamat po!